Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel IT143. You're watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format the charts created in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Open Excel 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have created a chart for monthly sales of various items. After inserting a chart, there are several things we may change to display our data in effective manner. When we select the chart, we will get design, layout, and format options in chart tools. By using these options, we will format the charts. Sometimes we may want to change the way chart groups our data. For example, in the chart below, item sales are grouped by persons with columns for each item. And if you want to switch rows and columns, come to Design tab in Chart Tools, select Switch Row or Column in Data Group. Then the chart will group data by item with columns for each person. In both the cases, the chart contains the same data, but it organized differently. Again, to bring it to previous shape, click again on Switch Row or Column, and after that come to Legend in Chart. Here it is showing item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5 and average sales in the sequence. If you want to reorder the legend, click on Select Data in Data Group. In this, come to Legend Entries. Select the entry you want to change the sequence and click on Move Up or Down. Click on OK. Then it is showing item 4 top in the sequence. Whatever the changes we made, it will reflect in the legend in the chart. And we can also change chart layout and style. For that, select the Design tab, come to Chart Layouts, click on More, and it will show various chart layouts. I'm selecting Layout 1. Now I got title on top. If you want to change the title, click on Title and start typing the new title. Again, come to Chart Layouts. Now I'm selecting Layout 2. Then we got Legend on top and values are showing on each column. And also it hides the horizontal and vertical axis. Like this, every layout has its own structure. Come to Layout 5. It will include data table, that is source for the chart, and show below the chart. After that, come to Layout 7. We can add x-axis and y-axis titles. Like this, we can add various layouts which has its own structure. And not only the layouts, we can also format the chart styles. Come to Chart Styles in Design Group, click on More, and it will show various chart styles which helps to change the overall visual style of the chart. To preview the style, we need to click on each style and check it. Here we have chart and data source on one sheet. If you want to move this chart to another sheet or tab in the workbook, click on Move Chart option in Design tab. We can create new sheet to place this or move it to the default sheets showing here. I'm selecting new sheet, click on OK, and then it will create the new worksheet chart 1 and place the chart in this worksheet. And after this, I want to move this chart to another worksheet in this workbook. I'm selecting Object In. You can select Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. And if you want to change the chart type into different type of the chart, come to Type Group in the Design tab and click on Change Chart Type. And from various chart categories, select a chart style, click on OK. Then the chart is converted into new chart type. And notice that we got new styles in Chart Styles group with respect to the chart we selected. Like this, we can format the charts created in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel IT143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.